They say growing old is inevitable, but growing weak? That's a choice. Imagine lifting your grandchild high into the air without a second thought, climbing stairs with ease, carrying your groceries without feeling like you're carrying the weight of the world. These simple joys, these daily freedoms, are not just for the young. The truth is, aging doesn't have to mean frailty. It doesn't have to mean losing your strength or shrinking away from life. But if you don't fight for your muscle mass, time will take it from you. In today's video, we're uncovering the 10 habits that can preserve and even rebuild your muscle mass and strength after 60. These aren't fads. These are evidence-based strategies used by the world's longest-living, strongest seniors. If you're over 60 or love someone who is, this may be the most important video you watch this year. Let's begin. 1. Prioritize protein. Like your life depends on it, because it might. Most seniors simply don't eat enough protein, and it's costing them muscle every single day. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at turning dietary protein into muscle. What this means is, the same steak that kept you strong at 30 isn't doing nearly as much for you at 65, unless you adjust. Experts recommend 1.2 to 2.0 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day for older adults. That's significantly higher than the standard RDA. Eggs, Greek yogurt, lean meats, fish, tofu, lentils. These should be daily staples, not occasional add-ons. Think of it this way. Every protein-packed bite you take is a message to your body. Stay strong. 2. Resistance training. The real fountain of youth cardio is great for your heart. But if you're not lifting anything, you're aging faster than you need to. Resistance training is the only proven method to reverse age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. And no, it's never too late. Studies show that even people in their 90s can build muscle through strength training. You don't need to deadlift 300 pounds. Body weight squats, resistance bands, light dumbbells, done consistently, can transform your body. 2 to 3 sessions per week. That's all it takes. But don't just lift weights. Lift your life. 3. Embrace eccentric movements. Here's a secret. Most trainers don't tell seniors the lowering phase of an exercise, known as eccentric movement, is where the magic happens. Lowering your body slowly during a squat, easing down during a push-up, slowly returning a dumbbell to your side. These controlled movements create more muscle damage and repair, which means more growth. They also improve balance and coordination, which is crucial for fall prevention. Slow, controlled, powerful. That's how you move if you want to age like a champion. 4. Don't skip sleep. It builds muscle. Muscle isn't built in the gym. It's built after, especially while you sleep. Sleep is your body's recovery lab. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, nature's muscle-preserving miracle. Older adults often struggle with sleep, but it's critical. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Make your bedroom a sanctuary, cool, dark, and free of screens. Remember, sleep isn't laziness, it's training, without the sweat. 5. Get enough vitamin D and calcium. Muscles need bones. Strong muscles are useless without strong bones to support them. Vitamin D helps you absorb calcium, and both are essential for muscle function and bone strength. Low levels are common in older adults, and they quietly contribute to weakness, fatigue, and fractures. Spend time in the sun, eat fatty fish, eggs, fortified foods, talk to your doctor about supplements. You're not just feeding muscles, you're fortifying your foundation. 6. Prioritize mobility and flexibility. What good is muscle if you can't move freely? Stretching, yoga, tai chi. These aren't just for flexibility. They protect your joints, improve balance, and prevent injuries that could sideline your strength goals. Just 10 minutes a day can keep you limber, pain-free, and able to use the strength you're building. Think of flexibility as the oil that keeps your engine running smooth. 7. Eat every 3 to 4 hours to stimulate muscle growth. Muscle synthesis isn't just about total protein. It's about timing. Older bodies benefit from a steady stream of amino acids throughout the day. Instead of 2 large meals, aim for 3 to 5 smaller meals or snacks, each with 20 to 30 grams of protein. This keeps your muscle-building engine running all day long. You're not grazing, you're strategically fueling your strength. 8. Stay hydrated. Muscles are 75% water. Dehydration is sneaky and devastating to muscle health. Even mild dehydration decreases strength, endurance, and coordination. It can also cause cramps, fatigue, and falls. Older adults often lose their sense of thirst. That means waiting until you're thirsty is too late. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of water daily, more if you're active. Add electrolytes if needed. Your muscles will thank you. 9. Manage inflammation with food. Chronic inflammation silently eats away at muscle and speeds up aging. The antidote? An anti-inflammatory diet. Focus on omega-3s from fatty fish, walnuts, chia, antioxidants, berries, leafy greens, and spices like turmeric and ginger. Avoid ultra-processed foods, excessive sugar, and seed oils. Food can either be a fire starter or a fire extinguisher. Choose wisely. 10. Keep moving every hour, every day. Even if you hit the gym 3 times a week, long hours of sitting can still erase your progress. Muscle is lost through inactivity, not just age. Set a timer. Stand up, stretch, walk, do calf raises at the kitchen counter. Every movement matters. You don't have to run a marathon. Just don't let an hour go by without telling your body, I still need you. Because the body listens. Strength isn't about looking like a bodybuilder. It's about living fully, bending down without pain, standing tall with confidence, holding your partner's hand as you walk into the sunset, not as a fragile shell of who you once were, but as the vibrant, powerful person you still are. Aging is natural, but weakness is optional. If you found value in this video, share it with someone you love, someone who deserves to age powerfully. And don't forget to subscribe. We've got more science-backed, soul-fueled content coming your way to help you thrive at any age. Stay strong, stay inspired, and keep moving forward.